Apple gift card on your iPad. In this video, you're going to learn how to put your Apple gift card on your iPad. So let's get started. The process is simple. You just have to ensure you have the latest iOS version. You can check for updates in the Settings app under Journal and then Software Update. Open the App Store, launch the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store icon is typically a blue icon with a white A. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the App Store. You should see your profile pictures or initials. Tap on it to access your account. After that, you will be able to redeem gift card or code. Scroll down until you find the redeem gift card or code option. Tap on it. Manually enter the code or use the camera. You will have the option to either enter the gift code manually or use your device's camera to scan the code. If you have a physical card, scratch off the label to reveal the code. After that, if you choose to enter the code manually, type in the 16-digit code. If you're using the camera, align the code within the frame and your iPhone should automatically recognize and redeem it. Once the code is entered or scanned, tap on the redeem button and then check your account balance. After redeeming the gift card, your account balance will be updated. You can check this in the account section of the app. That's all. That's how you will be able to put Apple gift card on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.